Welcome to Hyundai. Today we will be analyzing one more answer that is asked in GS1. Actually, this question can be asked either in GS1 or GS3. This answer is written by the Air 1 Aditya Srivastava. So, the question is related with the pharma industry. So, as this question is asked in GS1, the question is more biased with the geographical aspects. However, the same question can be asked in GS3 also in economic part. And in a way, we can say this question can be asked in GS2 also in social justice part, because the question is we have a component of related to public health. Okay, so let me read the question first. State the key factors behind the growth of pharmaceutical industry in India. Additionally, discuss its significance with regard to India's economy, public health. It is a 10 marker, so we have to write 150 words. Okay. So, as an aspirant, some processes should be done while reading a question. While reading a question, here you have seen what I have did. Like I have underlined some important question keywords and the conceptual keywords. That is the first thing. Then you should be identifying which are the subparts that should be written in your answer. Here the question is asking key factors behind the growth of pharmaceutical industry. So that is the first subheading, key factors. Second subheading, the major subheading is significance with respect to India's economy. Third subheading is significance with respect to public health. However, as an implicit part, if time and space are allowing you to write, then you can write about challenges or limitations regarding the pharmaceutical industry also. In this answer, Topper has written that implicit part, but however, we should be keeping in mind that space and time is very restricted. So make a wise decision based on that. Explicit parts must be addressed. Implicit parts like the limitations faced by pharmaceutical industry, you can write if time and space allow. I hope you are clear. Okay, now let's see the Topper answer, and we will be seeing how he has written the answer. In addition, we will also see how we can make more improvement in this answer. So here in this intro, he has written pharmacy of the world. See this. India has been called the pharmacy of the world. So he has brought a important concept. Played a key role in COVID vaccination. He has given a current context also. So it's a key term based or keyword based intro plus a current affair element is added. Now directly he is hitting what? The core content or core subpart of the question, different factors. Now we will see earlier in the previous video we have seen how we are making points. So in order to generate points, we should have a set of dimensions. Here first point he has written about skilled labor. So labor is the first dimension. One improvement you can do from this answer is you can write what the number of educated or number of skilled labor or availability of skilled labor as per some surveys like either NSO or ILO survey, either of these survey or economic survey you can write. You can give a data or number of graduates or number of people who are highly educated or skilled. Okay. The next part he has written right government policy. So stable government, he has given some points. Next is capital related point. So the dimension is capital. Next is geography based, that is raw material. So if the question is asking in geography, you can prioritize this raw material point first. If the question is asking in economy, you can prioritize this point, capital point first. If the question is asking some social justice related question and all, you can write about some related points. For example, you can write about the education related points or the demand or the market demand because of the health concerns in India. So that can be written based on the subject on paper. You can prioritize your points accordingly. I hope you understand. So here he has brought different dimensions. Then next he addressed the implicit part. As we discussed it earlier, he has brought some challenges. Here US IPR tussle, due to the lack of or the due to the paucity of space and time, he has drawn a simple diagram. So he has mentioned about the US IPR issue, then API import from China, some challenges he has written. As this question contains more subpart, he has brought the other subparts also, each with 3 points. You can see number of points here, 3 points, 3 points. So there is a balancing across different subparts. Then instead of going mechanically, you can see this part. He has brought a linking line, yet this word is very important, yet they have played an important role in. Rather than just writing the subheading between the subparts, he has brought a linking line. That is very important for continuity in your answer. Now he has addressed the impact in or significance in Indian economy. Let's see how he has generated his point. Provide more than 45 billion GDP. So Indian economy, first subdimension is GDP. He has brought some fact. So here you can see some fact he has brought. Then another dimension is job, second dimension. So in Indian economy, different dimensions are there: GDP dimension, job dimension, growth dimension, export dimension, forex reserve related dimension, then our health related dimension, because this question is on pharma. Then again we can see the dimensions like infrastructure related dimensions, then how other sectors like tertiary sector, secondary sector, the primary sector is linked, everything. Here you can see the primary sector he has written: raw materials from which value added products are I'm not able to read. Okay, so primary sector he has mentioned here. Similarly, different dimensions you can generate in Indian economy. The only thing is you should be able to link with the question keyword. The next part is public health, access to cheap medicine and SDG 3 of health upheld. This part is also very important. So this is the first point he has written. So public health he has linked with the medicine part, or you can talk it as a treatment related dimension. Then public health he has linked it with IR related dimension, how diplomacy, then he is linked with Africa and all. And in order to justify that point, he has brought some team 9. Then generic drugs, again he has bring some constitutional related dimension which is linked with the public health. So different dimensions he is bringing under different subheadings. Then he is writing a conclusion. Okay, then he is writing a conclusion. Pharmaceutical industry an important factor of India's growth. Here the conclusion looks very generic. So rather than this, you can go for a better conclusion. Due to the thing is, this topper has written his answer in 3 hour restricted time. So he has written a generic conclusion. Rather, we can talk about pharma industry is such a sunrising industry which has got the opportunity to develop not only the Indian economy but also the public health, so that we can achieve SDG 3, or we can we can make use of this demographic dividend for the vision of Viksit Bharat. Such slogans or mottos you can mention in your conclusion. For example, Viksit Bharat. So this is the analysis part. For better practice, you can join our Phoenix program. So we will be giving some daily questions and you will be given the opportunity to write answer, and we will be providing a live feedback with proper answer writing approach. I hope you enjoy the session. Thank you.